As the lockdown eases, with more and more relaxations being introduced, people are tentatively stepping out, going to offices, trying to adjust to the new normal. The tools which enable this during the pandemic are sanitizers, physical distancing, and face masks. But there has been this constant swirl of misinformation around masks on social media. Should you wear them? Do they really help? How should you wear them? And if not wearing them will give you what is called the herd immunity. We spoke to Dr. Arvind Kumar, a leading pulmonologist, who says that wearing masks will be essential at least for the next few months.
In the next few months, we need to wear the mask every time we are outside the house. We have to presume every other person to be infected and maintain at least 1 meter distance from them wherever we are, whatever we are doing, and whatever time of the day it is. 1 meter distance, wearing a mask, washing your hands frequently, and avoiding going out of the house as far as possible.
But an important question here is, do masks pose a serious health risk, or do they cause hypercapnia, which is an unhealthy increase in the carbon dioxide levels of the blood as claimed by some social media posts?
You exercise, your body oxygen requirement goes up and your body produces more CO2. So body needs more oxygen and body needs to clear more CO2. Now, if you are wearing a mask during that time, you will not be able to take enough air which is needed for this time. So wearing a mask during exercise of any time is actually harmful and should not be done. In fact, it can be life-threatening also.
Now, the Government of India has prescribed homemade masks for healthy people, especially outside their homes, for better personal hygiene and for protection of communities against the COVID pandemic. However, this face cover is not recommended for healthcare workers, those directly in contact with COVID patients, or the patients themselves. They are strictly advised to use a triple layer medical mask or the N95 respiratory mask. Now, many healthcare experts also argue that the purpose of a mask is mostly to stop an infected person from spreading the virus.
COVID-19 spreads to the respiratory droplets from the cough, sneeze, or spit of an infected person. By wearing a mask, we are trying to block droplets from coming out of an infected person or block inhaling droplets from an infected person. New studies have shown that viruses thrive in respiratory droplets suspended in air. People with COVID-19 can be asymptomatic. If everyone wears a mask, then there are lesser chances of an infected but asymptomatic person from infecting others.
But are masks an alternative to physical distancing? And should they not be worn while running, jogging, exercising, or during any kind of physical activities?
By wearing mask, you are preventing your air droplets from going far away, and also you are preventing those droplets from going inside when you are breathing. Social distancing is also achieving the same purpose, but mask cannot be a substitute for social distancing. Anybody who wears a mask during any kind of exercise, jogging, running, or anything, he is asking for trouble because his body oxygen can go low and CO2 can rise.
Now, if you're wearing a mask, you might as well do it right. Wash your hands before wearing the mask, cover your nose, make sure it's a tight fit and covers your chin properly. At a time when the total number of coronavirus cases in India have crossed 1 lakh, it is extremely important for all of us to exercise precaution. But at the same time, it is also equally important to stay away from misinformation because chaos only adds to panic. So if you come across a video, claim or message which is too good to be true or seems suspicious, you can send it to us at webkoof@thequint.com and we will verify it for you.